In this video, I'll demonstrate a 4-hour candlestick trading strategy using one indicator. This is the only candlestick strategy you will ever need to start making consistent profits. And it's straightforward. So make sure to watch until the end and feel free to ask questions if you feel something is not clear. Okay, let's jump into the charts. Here, I'm going to illustrate a scenario for a bullish trade. Alright, we have gotten a bullish 4-hour candle. What we need to do is to mark the open and the close of the bullish candle. This means we shall only be taking trades within this tradable zone. Please avoid entering any trade if prices break through either the open or the close of the candle we are focusing on. If that happens, let that trade opportunity pass. Remember, better opportunity trades will always come around since the market will keep moving. Always aim to take trades within this zone to enhance the success rate of the strategy. After this candle closes, we shall be looking for a pullback within this tradable zone. There, we will want to spot a bullish candlestick pattern such as the Morningstar signal, an engulfing signal, or the J-hook, which could indicate a continuation in price movement. Once we see one of these patterns, we would want to enter a trade to ride the continuation wave, aiming for a risk reward of 1 to 2. So that's how we shall be executing trades using this one candlestick strategy. Alright, let's dive into some examples to help us better understand this concept. Here is the 4-hour candlestick we have marked out. As you can see, we also have this moving average. That's the other indicator I mentioned at the start of this video. This indicator helps us to trade in line with the trend. So after marking the open and the close of our 4-hour candle, we shall then flip to a lower time frame, which in this case will be a 5-minute time frame. On this chart, we shall be waiting for prices to pull back and give us some kind of a bullish pattern. But remember, prices must be above the 8 exponential moving average when we enter any trade. Guys, those are the simple rules you need to start making serious money from the market. Alright guys, this is the 5-minute time frame of USD CAD. This blue line represents the open and the close of the H4-hour candlestick, which we call the tradable zone. Remember, these are the lines we marked out earlier on our H4 time frame. This means we shall only be looking for trades within these zones. If prices goes above these zones, we shall be ignoring such trades and wait until prices retraces back into our zone. As you can observe right now, prices have shot out of our zone. This means we shall be waiting until prices retraces back within the tradable zone. See what is happening right now. Prices have pulled back within our tradable zone. This means we are getting ready to look for an opportunity. Remember, we said for us to take a buy trade, prices must be above the 8 exponential moving average, which is this red line. Guys, now prices are within our tradable zone. Let's zoom in a little bit such that you have a clear picture of the candlesticks. As you can observe, prices have closed above the 8 exponential moving average, which is this red line. This means we are in an uptrend and buyers are eager to push prices even further. Remember, we said after prices closing above the 8 exponential moving average, we must look for a candlestick confirmation pattern, which we have right here. This is a bullish doji sandwich, which simply means that the buyers have taken control of prices. This means this is a green light for us to enter this trade. Since all our conditions have been met, meaning we shall place our entry right here, then our stop loss below the low, or we can place it at the open of this candle. Then we shall be targeting for a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. So let's see how prices play out. As you can see, prices started taking off in our direction, and eventually our take profit would have been hit of 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. Folks, this strategy is very simple and easy to implement. Just simply mark out the open and the close of an H4 candlestick, then head on to the 5-minute time frame and look for an entry within that tradable zone. This means you will be looking for a candlestick confirmation signal or a buy signal and a close above the 8 exponential moving average. When that happens, you simply enter your trade and wait for massive profits. Guys, it's just that simple. So go ahead to test this strategy. If it works for you, you can already start putting real money on the line. I think that will be it for today. See you in the next one. As always, invest safe.